I used to plan everything, every detail, every outcome. If things didn't go my way, I felt lost and anxious. I wanted life to follow my script. But one day, something unexpected happened. I missed a big opportunity I'd been waiting for. I was angry, frustrated, and disappointed. Weeks later, I got another chance. One that turned out far better than what I had first wanted. That day, I realized not everything is meant to go according to my plan. Sometimes, life delays you to redirect you. I started trusting the process more. I stopped forcing things and started flowing with them. And somehow, life felt lighter, calmer, and more peaceful. Moral: you don't have to control everything. Trust that what's meant for you will always find its way, even if it takes a different route.